Eighth problem. In triangle ABC, prove that a square minus b square plus c square into tan b equal to a square plus b square minus c square into tan c. We want to take the left hand side as a square minus b square plus c square divided by this a square plus b square minus c square equal to tan c by tan b. I want to take this as a given thing as like this. Okay. This 1 by tan b can be written as cot b, isn't it? So I can write this tan c into cot b. And after this I want to substitute all the values for a, b, c by using the sine formula. For a square is k square sine square a. B square is k square sine square b. C square is k square sine square c. Likewise at the denominator also I want to substitute the values from the sine formula. Here now we have sine square a minus sine square b plus sine square c divided by sine square a minus sine square c plus sine square b. Okay. For I want to group the first two things here. So I can write this as sine of a plus b into sine of a minus b. Likewise here also I want to group the first two so that we have sine of a plus c into sine of a minus c plus sine square b. Okay, and then this a plus c can be written in the form of this a plus b can be written as pi minus of c, isn't it? So sine of pi minus c is nothing but sine c only. So I can have this sine c into sine of a minus b plus this sine square c divided by here also for this sine of a plus c I can have sine b. It's from pi minus of a plus c. It's nothing but sine b. Keep the remaining things as it is now. So now I can take the sine c as common at the numerator. So take sine c as common. So the remaining things are sine of a minus b plus sine c divided by at the denominator I have sine b as common factor. So take sine b as common. The remaining things are sine of a minus b plus sine b. Okay, and then at the numerator we have sine c, isn't it? I want to take this sine c as sine of a plus b. So this sine b can be written as sine of a plus b. It's from a plus b plus c equal to 180 degree, isn't it? I want the value of c. So take a plus b to the other side so that I have sine of pi minus a plus b. So sine of pi minus of a plus b is nothing but sine a plus b. Likewise for sine b also we can write sine of a plus c. Okay, and then at the numerator we have sine of a minus b plus sine of a plus b is there. Okay, so I can write this as 2 sine a cos b, and at the denominator the sine of a minus c plus sine of a plus b can be written as 2 sine a cos c. Okay, I can cancel what other things are common here. 2 and 2 and then sine a and sine a will get cancelled. The remaining things are sine c by cos c and then cos b by sine b. So I can take this as tan c into cot b. Ninth problem, the maximum area of the equilateral triangle in the circle. Okay, the maximum of the equilateral triangle, maximum area is nothing but the equilateral triangle. In the equilateral triangle, we have the circumference as that perimeter is a plus b plus c, isn't it? That means a plus a is 120 degree is given. So 3a equal to 120. Therefore a equal to 120 by 3 it's nothing but 40. So we have that a is 40 meter. So all the sides are equal in the equilateral triangle. Therefore we have All the sides are 40 meter as measurements there. 10th problem. Here it is given that length is 12 meter and perimeter is 12 meter. Okay, length is 12 meter and perimeter is 12 meter. So from the previous problem we have a plus a equal to 12. So 3a equal to 12 is a equal to nothing but 4 meters. So now we got the value of a. Look at the triangle here. In this triangle ABC and AD is the middle line is given. I want to find the value of AD. So I can written this AD as root of AB square minus BD square. So therefore that is 4 square minus 2 square. It's nothing but 16 minus 4, which is equal to 12. So root 12 is 2 root 3. Okay, now the length of AD is 2 root 3. Okay, then area of the largest triangle we want to find here. So the area of the largest triangle equal to the formula for area of the triangle is half into BC into AD. So half into BC is there 4 and AD we found just now, that is 2 root 3. We can cancel these terms so that we have that area is 4 root 3. Eleventh sum. Derive the cosine formula. Here derive the projection formula. Here we have the laws of sines already, that a by sin a equal to b by sin b equal to c by sin c equal to k. Therefore a equal to k sin a, b equal to k sin b and c equal to k sin c. Okay, that formula here we have that projection formula is a equal to b into cos c plus c into cos b. We want to take the right hand side now. Take the right hand side, b cos c plus c cos b equal to, substitute the value of b here, that b is k sin b into cos c plus c is k sin b into c. Okay, now here we have k is common thing there, so take k as common, therefore k into sin b cos c plus cos b sin c. This formula, this bracket can be written in the form of sin of b plus c. This is in the form of sin of a plus b, therefore we have k into sin of b plus c now. This b plus c can be written as pi minus of a. Okay, pi minus of a is nothing but sin a only. So k sin a, that k sin a which is equal to simply a only from the sin formula already what we have done. Therefore we got the answer as a now. Likewise, we can prove b equal to c cos a plus a cos c and c equal to a cos b plus b cos a. The next division, derive the laws of cosines. Okay, from this we want to take this a equal to b cos c plus c cos b. I want to take the right hand side here. That right hand side is b cos c plus c cos b. Here instead of this cos c we can substitute a square plus b square minus c square by 2ab plus c into, instead of this cos b we can substitute c square plus a square minus b square by 2ca, and then I can cancel this b and b here and this c and c here. The remaining things are a square plus b square minus c square by 2a plus c square plus a square minus b square by 2a. Okay, at the denominator we have 2a as common, so at the numerator we can combine that. So that we have a square plus b square minus c square plus a square plus c square minus b square. So we can cancel that both b square and c square. The remaining things we have is 2a square only. At the denominator we have 2a simply there. So we can cancel this 2 and 2 and then a and a. Finally we have a is left over there, so which is equal to a what is the answer we want to prove here.